Hi, my name is Joe. I own the Master Mechanic Markville and Markham locations.
Hi, I'm Kyle. I'm the owner of Master Mechanic in Whitby.
I first got started with Master Mechanic probably about 30 years ago. They approached me as an independent and I thought it was a great fit because I needed to grow and they helped me grow.
The process to becoming a licensed mechanic is registering as an apprentice, going to school for 3 years of training, and then writing your final exam.
I first started as a mechanic on the bench and now I'm running 2 shops.
Ultimately wanting to own a shop at one point was the goal. I'm a very big believer in the brand. I think overall I have a very good reputation.
The best thing about Master Mechanic is you get to talk to the mechanic. It's not just a logo. At Master Mechanic, you talk to the mechanic.
It's a great industry to be in if you're looking to challenge yourself. It's never the same thing twice.
I mean, if you're coming in as a mechanic to the trade, I would just say get ready to work hard because this job here requires you to be a hard worker.
The advice I would give would be make sure you enjoy it. I genuinely love being a technician. I love working on cars and I love a daily challenge. To any apprentice whose ultimate goal would be to own their own shop, to be able to take them on and teach them everything that we know to help build a foundation for them to do that is a great goal and something I would love to be able to offer to somebody.